Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name tag on the Splitgate PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitgate PC game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, in order to customize your name tag, click on the username icon at the top left corner. This will then take you into your locker page. From here, once again tap on your username, and now you can see your name tag as well as other options at the left side. Click on the name tag option, and this will now show you various different name tags that you can equip to your username or your profile. When you tap on each one of these, you can see a preview of how these will look within your profile at the right side. Once you have found your desired name tag, click on the equip button, and now this will be set within your profile right away. You can come back to this menu and change your name tag at any point of time in the future as well. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name tag on the Splitgate game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.